always a good idea to install anti-slip tape on your staircase during the rainy season or any other time. It will help you. You won't get slip. I have a video made previously, older tiles, and I'll share with you how you can install the anti-slip tape, and it's very easy to do it. And let's get started. If you have existing one and they are worn out, and it's very easy to change it, and if you don't have it, you can install it, and it's very easy to do it. And especially in the raining season, it will help you, these anti-slip tape. So I'll provide the link under the description, so please check it out. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple and easy DIY fix. These are my stairs, and as you can see, it has a anti-slip tape on it. Pretty much worn out and it need to be replaced. I would say it's not only raining season, all the time it helps that when you're coming down or going up, you won't get slip. This is the tape I ordered. This is called anti-slip tape. I have removed the old tape, and this is the residue, the glue. Now I need to get the scraper, and I'm going to scrape it. You just grab it. Pretty sticky. Some pieces will come out real easy. So this is how I'm going to remove it. The old tape has been removed. The DIY project has been completed, and as you can see, the new tape has been laid out, and this is the anti-slip tape. If they are worn out, then you can replace it. So I hope you found this video to be helpful, and like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.